Mary, I need to find an apartment fast. I start my new job in 2 weeks.
2 weeks? That's not a lot of time.
I know. I called 5 places this morning. Nobody answered.
Did you leave a message?
No, I don't know what to say. My English is not perfect.
Okay, let's practice. I can help you.
Really? Thank you. I'm nervous.
Don't be. It's simple. Just say, "Hello, my name is John. I'm looking for an apartment. Is it still available?"
Hello, my name is John. I'm looking for an apartment. Is it still available?
Perfect. Now, what if they say yes?
I ask about the price?
Yes. Say, "How much is the rent per month?"
How much is the rent per month? Okay, that's easy.
And ask about the location. Say, "Is it close to downtown?"
Is it close to downtown? Good. What else?
Ask about the date. Say, "When can I move in?"
When can I move in? Mary, this is really helpful.
You're doing great. One more thing. Always ask, "Can I schedule a visit?"
Can I schedule a visit? Got it.
Now, call them for real this time.
Right now?
Yes, you're ready.
Okay. I'm calling.
I'm right here.
Hello, my name is John. I'm looking for an apartment. Is it still available?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I'm interested. How much is the rent per month?
Mm-hmm.
And is it close to downtown?
Mm-hmm.
When can I move in?
Mm-hmm.
Great. Can I schedule a visit? Tomorrow at 10? Perfect. Thank you. Goodbye.
So, what happened?
The apartment is available. The rent is good. I visit tomorrow at 10.
That's amazing, John.
I can't believe it. I was so scared to call.
But you did it, and your English was great.
Because you helped me. Thank you, Mary.
Next time, you won't need my help.
Maybe, but I'm glad you were here today.
Go find your apartment, John.
I will. Finally.